2 weeks, they still come back, they harvest again. Yes. So that's how they keep picking tea.
Thanks, I didn't know that one.
Yeah. So if this, you are going to see where they take your travel. Yeah. Then pan. Or they pan.
And then in Africa, we have 2 species of people.
There.
Okay.
Can you jump? Yay! Higher! Much higher! You can do it, you can do it.
We're on a little community walkabout, seeing some tea plantations, some coffee plantations, some banana plantations, and we're seeing sweet potatoes, this distillery with the banana liquor, and yeah, just immersing ourselves a little bit with locals here. I'm guessing you're just going in a big loop. Hello. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Hello.
Guinness germinating again. So, how many years are you? How old are you now?
64.
64. If you plant this, you will die, leave to your children. They die, leave to your grandchildren, like that to remain. So tea, that's how it grows. Now when you are picking, you pick these younger leaves. I think this is what you pick. You take these younger leaves. This is what you pick. You take it to a machine for drying and processing.
So people come through, just pick the top,
Yes.
and that's your harvest.
Yes. So after 2 weeks, they still come back, they harvest again. Yes. So that's how they keep picking tea. So after
And do they dry it then and like crush it up?
Be getting the tea.
Yes. So they put in a machine, it dries them. After drying processes, there comes black tea.
And this is black tea?
Yeah, it can make black tea or make green tea.
Same leaf.
Yes. Yes, so they bring bananas. First keep them ripening. Yes. After ripening, they squeeze them. They squeeze them, and as you are seeing, to remove these things. Yeah. So if this, you are going to see where they take your travel. Yeah. Then pan. As they pan, vapor comes out. As it condenses, then it produces with this white stuff. So these are the residues here. So this is what they take from panning. So we are going to see where they take this, how they are burning it, and getting juice. Okay. And getting this. Yes. So these are residues. So this is how now he's making it.
So that's where it condenses.
Yes. The other juice,
evaporated.
the other juice is taken, put in the drum.
Yeah.
After putting in the drum, they put fire. So vapor passes, it condenses from here, vapor, then turn into liquid.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Then the liquid is
Drips in
collected in the jerrycan.
That's the risk. Yeah. Can you jump? Yay! Higher! Much higher! You can do it, you can do it. Look at this. Thank you. Okay, we are getting ready to ride from the Kimbali forest. Half the group went to see some chimps this morning and the rest did a little walkabout in the community, seeing tea plantation, moonshine distillery, and we are now on our way to the equator and then Queen Elizabeth National Park for the evening. So should be another good day. And once again we get hammered by rain. This is annoying since we're supposed to be over with the rainy season in Uganda, but it keeps coming down. Hopefully we will, it looks like it's clearing up a little bit out here on the horizon, so hopefully we will outrun it and then dry out before we reach our destination today, which is in about 112 kilometers. We're coming off the mountains down towards the savannah, the Queen Elizabeth National Park. Got about 60 kilometers to the park. Oh, straight ahead, the savannah is coming down off the rolling mountains. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll flatten out. And we will very soon be at the equator. So hopefully we can do a quick stop, get a water, and then continue to our lodge to get checked in, just to be sure everything is in order. And then I'm hoping we're getting on a boat trip. But look at that, how everything flattens out here. Last year we were in the beginning, just before the rainy season, just as it was starting, and it was much more dry. So those are the seasons, I guess. This is nice, very green. See you next time. You're welcome.
Where are you going?
We are going to Queen Elizabeth
Queen Elizabeth.
National Park.
There.
It's right there, yeah. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
So we're gonna go on a little boat trip here and see some hippos and some crocodiles. So let's go and have a nice afternoon.
And then in Africa, we have two species of hippos. The ones we are spotting, we call them the common hippopotamus. Then we have also the ones we call the pygmies.
With a little bit of luck, you can see right over there, there is a little baby crocodile. But don't be fooled. Parents might be very close. So check out this sunset right here behind me. We are on the river looking for hippos and crocodiles, and we've seen a bunch of them, so this is pretty cool. Behind me you can connect with the Lake Edwards, and the other direction is Lake George.
Thanks, didn't know that one.
Within 6 hours coast.
Boat trip here. Last time we had to sail across the river because the bridge was not working. Now just waiting here for Tim. It's become a theme. Where is Tim on this tour? But here he comes, all by himself. Let's go. Yes, we can park right here in the camp.
That's